spinach sauce or stew with only fish. So let's do that. Salt, seasoning cubes, garlic, curry powder, and 1 pepper for heat. Mix, mix, mix. Cover and allow it to cook. The fish is done. I'm gonna remove it from the stock and fry. To flavor the oil, I'll add onions, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. Now add the fish and allow it to fry. Now I'm gonna cook down my tomatoes. Now the fish is done. I'm going to remove it and start frying my stew. Now I'm done frying the fish. I'm going to blanch my spinach. I'm using 3 parts of baby spinach. I'm going to blanch and set aside. Now let's fry the stew. I'm going to add my chopped onions, a little bit of thyme, and a tiny bit of curry powder because I'm going to use fresh as usual. Stir, 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 and allow it to release the fragrance. I'm going to add tomato paste. Stir, 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 and allow it to fry. Now I'm going to add my cooked tomatoes. Now add paprika powder, seasoning cubes. Now stir and allow it to fry. Now the tomatoes has fried really well. You can see the texture. Now I'm going to add my fish stock. Now taste for salt. Adjust the seasoning if needed. Now I'm going to add my fish, fried fish. Stir, cover and allow it to come to a boil. Now let's check on the stew. Stir, stir, stir. Now I'm going to add my spinach. My spinach, blanched spinach. It's good to blanch your spinach so that it doesn't add more water in your soup, in your stew. I'm gonna add my fresh basil, curry leaves, stir, stir, and allow it to cook for 3 minutes, and it's done. Now cover and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Our stew is ready. Look at that. Our spinach stew sauce is done. So good. Too good. Rice and plantain and the spinach sauce. Bring your plate.